Hello everyone, today we're diving into the versatile Ruxury folding lap desk laptop stand, a multifunctional marvel designed to enhance your comfort and productivity. This portable and lightweight mini table is perfect for a variety of uses, whether you're working on your laptop, enjoying breakfast in bed, or setting up a quick study session for your kids. With no assembly required, this lap desk is ready to go right out of the box, offering a smooth, polished surface that's both safe and stylish. Its foldable legs make storage a breeze, allowing you to easily tuck it away in a closet or slide it under the bed when not in use. The design is not only practical but also ergonomic, helping to alleviate neck and shoulder pain by providing a stable platform for your laptop. Whether you're lounging on the sofa, sitting on the floor, or even enjoying a day at the beach, this lap desk is your go-to solution for comfort and convenience. So, if you're looking for a reliable and adaptable workspace, the Ruxury folding lap desk is a must-have addition to your home or office. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.